Hello friends! Today we are going to explore the amazing world of alphabets. Let's go! A. A is for apple. B. B is for ball. C. C is for cat. D. D is for duck. E. E is for elephant. F. F is for fish. G. G is for giraffe. H. H is for horse. I. I is for ice cream. J. J is for joker. K. K is for key. L. L is for lemon. M. M is for mouse. N. N is for nest. O. O is for orange. P. P is for peacock. Q. Q is for queen. R. R is for robot. S. S is for sun. T. T is for tree. U. U is for umbrella. V. V is for violin. W. W is for watermelon. X. X is for xylophone. Y. Y is for yacht. Z. Z is for zebra. Well, that's it for today. I hope you had so much fun. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more awesome learning and fun videos. See you soon. Bye.